And hey guys, and welcome. As you can see, we're doing another pool video for you guys. We're getting a lot of people requesting them. And today we're over here at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort. Give you guys a look at the main theme pool over here. So over here you got a little spa as you guys walk in. You got some hammocks, you got a spa, and you've got muddy rivers back there in the distance. Now, as you guys were looking around this pool, the cool part about it is there's deep sections, shallow sections. You've got the water thing coming down, the big trough up above your head like you're sifting for gold. There's another look at Muddy Rivers. That's an outside bar, so you're going to go there and watch the game and stuff like that. It's an outside bar. You can get changed in there. And there's another look at the trough coming down. So that's two big sections right there around that little bend. They're both deeper sections, so if you guys want to swim and not kick your feet on the bottom, it's a good spot. They always have the rules posted. It looks like this sign needs to be redone. It's got some cracks in it and stuff, but it's still there. And once again, do not steal the water. They don't want you swallowing the water in there, guys. Apparently a lot of people are stealing that water. Don't swallow it, guys. As you guys are making your way around right there, you can see the water coming down. This is actually one of my favorite pools to swim at, just because of the way it's themed and the water coming down. But we're going to make our way up right now and show you guys what it looks like from up above, because they've got a slide that comes down. And this isn't one of the big slides, it's a smaller slide. So if you guys are afraid of the slides, this one's perfect. It goes down, you can sit up on the thing, and it's really small. You've got a red light, green light. There's a look at what it's going to look like coming out into the pool, so you're not flying out there and hitting everybody. And over here is where you load. See that little kid right there? They get in, they're going to wait for that light to turn green, and then boom, they come right on down. Now, Eric went on this with my son Morgan, my brother Eric, before he passed on, but he went on years ago, and he let him sit on his lap, and actually asked him not to do that. So when you guys are going down, you got to go one at a time. If you got somebody that's a little smaller, they do have to go by themselves, or they can't go. And we did come down here with my little brother before he passed away, so he got to experience this place here. It's one of my favorite places to go in, guys. Here's another look at it from the distance there. And they've got a little tiny kid section there, and that's all fenced in so your kids don't wander off. And they've got the rules posted in there also. As you guys look around, you can see one thing this pool offers that most don't. It's got shade. So if you guys are coming down here, you got some shade above your heads, which is nice. Even if you don't get an umbrella, you got some tree shade around the back here. So this one, all in all, it's an awesome pool. It's got the slide. It's not too big. It's got a lot of different areas to swim. Even when it's busy, you always seem to have some kind of a spot to go swimming, so it's nice. And they do have the smaller pools around property here. If you guys go into our website, countrybearresorts.com, you'll see all the smaller pools. We do post them separately so you can see them. You got some ample seating here. You've got the life jackets there, the towel drops. You got the walk in here with the steps getting in. Complimentary life jackets. Please return after each use. And we'll see you guys on the next one, guys.